Mornings can be a struggle, but the right routine can make your day 10 times better. If you want more energy, better focus, and glowing skin, try this step-by-step morning routine for teens. 1. Wake up without hitting snooze, 6 a.m. to 6:05 a.m. We all love the snooze button, but it actually makes you feel more tired. Instead, try the 5-second rule. Count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and sit up. It tricks your brain into action. Start with a full body stretch to wake up your muscles and improve circulation. 2. Hydrate your body, 6:05 a.m. to 6:10 a.m. Did you know your body gets dehydrated overnight? Drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning wakes up your brain, boosts metabolism, and gives you glowing skin. 3. Make your bed, the 2-minute rule, 6:10 a.m. to 6:12 a.m. A simple task like making your bed tricks your brain into productivity mode. It takes just 2 minutes but gives you an instant sense of accomplishment. 4. Quick skincare and hygiene, 6:12 a.m. to 6:20 a.m. Skincare equals self-care. Even a 3-step routine cleanse, moisturize, and sunscreen can keep your skin fresh and acne-free. And of course, don't skip brushing your teeth. No one likes morning breath. 5. Light movement to wake up, 6:20 a.m. to 6:30 a.m. Want to feel instantly awake? Move your body. Just 5 to 10 minutes of stretching, yoga, or even dancing releases happy hormones and keeps you energized all day. 6. Avoid scrolling on your phone. 6:30 a.m. to 6:35 a.m. We all do it, wake up and scroll endlessly. But let's change that. Instead of staring at a screen, try journaling, reading, or listening to music in the morning. 7. Shower and get dressed, 6:35 a.m. to 6:50 a.m. Even if you don't have time for a full shower, washing your face and freshening up can boost your confidence. Pick an outfit that makes you feel good. It sets the tone for your day. 8. Eat a healthy breakfast, 6:50 a.m. to 7:10 a.m. Breakfast is fuel for your brain. Instead of sugary snacks, try protein-packed options like eggs, yogurt, peanut butter toast, or a smoothie for all-day energy. 9. Plan your day and stay organized, 7:10 a.m. to 7:20 a.m. Feeling overwhelmed? Take 5 minutes to write your top 3 priorities for the day. Staying organized reduces stress and helps you get things done faster. 10. Quick glow up, 7:20 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. Even if you're keeping it simple, looking fresh boosts confidence. A quick hairstyle, light makeup, if you wear it, and lip balm can make you feel ready to conquer the day. 11. Final check and grab your essentials, 7:30 a.m. to 7:40 a.m. Before heading out, do a quick checklist: homework, phone, keys, water bottle. Having everything ready saves you from last-minute stress. 12. Start the day with a positive mindset. 7:40 a.m., out the door. Your mindset shapes your day. Say a simple affirmation like, "Today is going to be amazing," or, "I am confident and capable." Positive thoughts equals positive results. And just like that, you're ready to crush the day. A great morning routine sets you up for success. So try these steps and let me know which one is your favorite. Love this video? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below on your morning routine hacks.